Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for you. Today, we're diving into the best palm tree balloon kit for your tropical-themed events. Whether you're planning a Hawaii luau, a birthday party, or a baby shower, this 100-piece set will surely elevate your party decorations and set the perfect atmosphere. This kit comes with a perfect combination of palm tree leaves balloons and brown latex balloons. Included in the set are 10 foil palm tree leaf balloons that measure about 36 by 12.6 inches when fully inflated, giving you a lush and realistic tropical vibe. Along with those, you'll get 90 brown latex balloons that, when inflated, reach around 12 inches in diameter, mimicking the rich color of coconuts. Made from high-quality materials, the palm tree leaf balloons are crafted from durable foil, while the latex balloons are made from top-notch, odorless latex, ensuring a long-lasting experience. These balloons are designed to hold up well, so they won't burst easily and will stay inflated for a long time, perfect for your entire event. Setting these up is incredibly easy. The palm tree leaves balloons are a fun way to create an impressive centerpiece or backdrop for photos. You can arrange them as part of a larger tropical display or simply place them around the party area to instantly create a beachy atmosphere. The mix of green foil leaves and coconut brown latex balloons is visually stunning, offering a tropical look that's perfect for any summer-themed event. Not only are they great for luau parties, but this set is also versatile for Mexican fiesta celebrations, birthdays, weddings, or even baby showers. You can get creative with how you decorate, whether it's using the palm tree leaves balloons to create a giant coconut tree, or incorporating the brown latex balloons into your existing party decor for that extra tropical touch. So, if you're looking to create a fun, vibrant, and exotic party atmosphere, this palm tree balloon kit is definitely a top pick for your next event. Grab yours today, and get ready to make your tropical-themed party unforgettable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we hope you enjoy this fantastic decoration set.